Hey guys, welcome to the Indian Meeple channel, and today we are going to unbox the new Indian published lucky numbers. This is published by Yes Papa Games. I think they also own BGI, so it's a nice production. I just wanted to call out the names. So I got this from BGI. So you can just go to the site and buy the new Lucky Numbers game. And I've been playing Lucky Numbers, I think mostly on BGA, and it is something that everybody likes. So great. So let's see the Indian version right now. So you have the Hindi rules and the English rules. The solo mode. So this is the solo modes. I think these are basically the same. The solo mode puzzle booklet is given separately. Let's see the production quality. So these are really nice thick game boards. Feels nice, and if I think this is the same thickness, this is definitely the same thickness. So these are really nice thick tokens which won't get destroyed quickly, and they look so nice. I couldn't wait to play this game with my family, like not on BGA but play it with my family here. And you get all these boards, and the box looks really nice. I saw the box production, when they shared it on their Instagram, but this looks really nice. So you have all these numbers, and you basically place these clovers in the sense that all the rows needs to be ascending and all the columns needs to be ascending. So basically you want to get the smallest number here, the biggest number here, and everything in between everywhere else. So it's a puzzly game, but really like it, and thanks to Yes Papa Games to actually get this published in India for everybody to enjoy here. So that's Lucky Numbers. Thanks for seeing me unboxing. See you guys. Bye.